Accessing your TP-Link router from inside your home network is simple. You just connect to the Wi-Fi and enter the router's IP address in a web browser. But what if you want to access your TP-Link router remotely from outside your network? In this guide, I'll show you how to access your TP-Link router from anywhere over the internet, while keeping security as the top priority. Before we begin, a quick mention. Remote access exposes your router to the internet, so security really matters. This is why many users, including myself, pair remote router access with a trusted VPN like NordVPN for an extra layer of protection. I've been using NordVPN for over 5 years, and I'll share more about it toward the end of the video. TP-Link routers include a built-in remote management feature, but it's disabled by default as a security precaution. To enable it, start by logging into your router's admin panel from within your local network. Open a browser, enter your router's IP address, and sign in using your admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the security section in the menu and select Remote Management. You'll notice that with the default settings, using port 80 and the IP address set to 0.000.0, Remote Management is disabled. You can keep the default web management port, such as 80 or 8080, or change it to a custom port for better security. In the Remote Management IP address field, you'll need to specify which external network is allowed to access the router. While entering 0.0.0.0 allows access from anywhere on the internet, this is strongly discouraged due to security risks. A safer approach is to enter the public IP address of the specific network you plan to use for remote access. For example, if you want to access your TP-Link router from your office or another trusted location, find that network's public IP address by opening a browser and searching for "What is my IP?" Once you have it, enter that IP address into the Remote Management IP field and save your settings. To access the router from outside your home network, note down your router's one IP address. From the external network, open a web browser and enter the one IP address, followed by the port number you configured. This will bring up the router's login page. Enter your router's admin password, and you should now have access to the TP-Link admin panel remotely. Keep in mind that remote management can pose security risks if not handled properly. Always use a strong, unique admin password. Avoid using default ports when possible. Limit access to trusted IP addresses, and disable remote management when you're not actively using it. By the way, if you're interested in trying my personal favorite VPN that I've been using for over 5 years, check out NordVPN using the link in the description. It takes you directly to a limited time offer and includes a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in giving it a try. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan the QR code on the screen with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN right away.